Number 1.
1992 Ford F250, price $7,900, comes with 99,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline, paired with a manual transmission that still shifts smoothly. It features a clean white exterior matched with a gray interior, giving it a classic and well-kept appearance for its age. The truck has received extensive recent maintenance, including brand new rotors, drums, and cylinders, along with new front and rear differential seals. It also has a fresh tune-up with all new fluids, and the transmission was recently serviced, ensuring strong and reliable performance. It rides on custom rims fitted with brand new 33-inch Toyo tires, providing both an upgraded look and improved capability on and off the road. Equipped with the XLT trim package and a long bed, it's ideal for hauling, work use, or daily utility.
Number 2.
1985 Chevrolet S10, price $10,000. It has 66,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission and a classic red exterior, giving it a clean and timeless appearance. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 383 engine paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox taken from an '85 Camaro, providing noticeably improved performance over stock. The truck is further enhanced with 373 posi traction, weld wheels, and a cowl induction hood, adding both functionality and a more aggressive stance. Additional upgrades such as a Flowmaster exhaust system and an aluminum radiator help improve sound, cooling, and overall reliability. The paint and interior are reported to be in very nice condition, and the truck runs and drives great, making it a well-sorted classic S10 that's been cared for and upgraded thoughtfully throughout its life.
Number 3.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,900. This truck has 149,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a 350 V8 engine, and a clean title, finished in red exterior and red interior with its original short bed setup. The engine was rebuilt by the previous owner and runs very well, supported by a recent oil change, transmission service, new filters, and a new fuse box harness. With both the AC and heater working properly, the interior features power windows, new upholstery, new carpet, a refreshed headliner and visors, plus a new JVC Bluetooth stereo paired with 4 kicker speakers. The exterior was recently repainted in cherry red and includes a Raptor spray bedliner, new moldings, a new grille, rally wheels with Cooper Cobra tires, and a MagnaFlow glasspack muffler that gives it a strong, aggressive sound, along with several other upgrades.
Number 4.
1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,500. It has approximately 168,000 miles on it and is equipped with a 5.7L engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, giving it a classic, engaging driving feel. The truck features a black exterior and a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. According to the owner, it starts and runs great, benefiting from power windows, power door locks, working air conditioning and heat, an AM/FM radio, new tires, a new clutch, and a new distributor. The exterior was professionally coated with bedliner paint about 3 years ago, adding durability and long-term protection. The original badges are still available for anyone who prefers a factory look, and the truck comes with a clean title in hand.
There are a few minor issues to note.
The body and bed show some rust, and there is a small leak in the roof and rear window area that mainly needs simple caulking. The AC typically requires a recharge each summer but blows ice cold afterward. Additionally, the door key functions only on the driver's side due to a past lock replacement after a key broke.
Number 5.
2000 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,500. It has approximately 170,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission paired to a 5.7-liter gasoline engine.
Finished in white with a gray interior, the truck is a 2WD model and carries a clean title under the current owner's name.
He mentions that it still runs strong, has never overheated, and has never left him stranded. The interior is in good condition overall, aside from the typical driver's seat tear common on trucks of this age. According to the owner, the truck is well cared for, enjoyable to drive, and sounds great. As for imperfections, he notes that it has some oil leakage from the front, likely from either the front main seal or the oil pan needs an alignment, and the body and paint are not perfect.
Number 6.
1961 Ford F100, price $9,850, shows 89,000 miles on the odometer and features a manual transmission paired with a 6-cylinder engine. Finished in a bright red exterior with a clean white interior, the truck runs on gasoline and has been kept clean both inside and out. It is equipped with a 4-speed floor-mounted gearbox. The interior includes custom-made door panels on both sides, each fitted with convenient zipper storage compartments. Recent maintenance includes new tires, new brakes, all new brake lines and hoses, fresh shocks, and a full tune-up, enhancing both reliability and driving comfort. There is a small rust area on the flat plate between the bed and cab, which was intentionally left uncovered for transparency.
Number 7.
1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,900. It has approximately 233,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The truck remains in unaltered, original condition and is notably free from the typical rust issues often found on vehicles of this age. It comes as a regular cab with an 8-foot bed and is powered by a 4.3L V6 engine. Additional equipment includes air conditioning, a towing hitch, and all standard factory components. It starts, runs, and drives well. The truck does have a slow antifreeze leak, which generally requires topping off about once every 2 months, and it will likely need a new battery soon.
Number 8.
1967 Chevrolet C20, price $9,500. It is powered by a dependable 350 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, a combination that delivers an authentic vintage driving feel that enthusiasts appreciate.
The truck runs and drives remarkably well, supported by a series of recent updates that enhance its reliability and performance.
These upgrades include brand new spark plugs, new ignition wires, a freshly installed fuel pump, and a fully rebuilt carburetor, along with additional tune-ups that ensure smoother operation and better responsiveness on the road. Despite its age, the truck has been maintained with care, and the seller continues to improve it as time allows. One area that currently needs attention is the wooden bed, which is due for replacement. However, the owner has already begun the process of restoring it, ensuring that the truck will soon be even more complete and true to its original character.
Number 9.
1988 Nissan Hardbody, price $3,800, shows approximately 128,000 miles on its 2.4L 4-cylinder gasoline engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly and delivers the classic driving feel these trucks are known for. It sports a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, both of which remain in impressive condition for its age, reflecting how well the truck has been cared for over the years. The owner describes it as super clean, fully functional, and rust-free, a rare find for a hardbody of this generation. Its strong and reliable performance makes it an excellent choice for work, daily driving, or even project enthusiasts looking for a solid base. As a true classic pickup, it combines durability with simplicity, and it is being offered with a clean title, adding even more value to this well-preserved truck.
Number 10.
1978 Chevrolet C10, price $9,800. This truck shows about 100,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, a 350 engine, and a matching green exterior and interior. As a gasoline-powered Silverado, it's described as one of the cleanest, most rust-free 78 square bodies around, with perfect rust-free floors and only a small spot of rust on the lower driver door and a minor area inside the bed. It retains its factory hood-painted stripes and has been upgraded with new dual exhaust, a retro AM/FM radio, and an Edelbrock intake and carburetor. The truck has been lowered with springs and an axle flip, giving it a clean stance. Overall, it runs and drives very well and remains a solid example of a well-kept C10.